In many offices, hotel kitchens, restaurants, bars, and staff areas, the classic upright water cooler dispenser with a large upside-down bottle is everywhere. It looks clean and safe at first glance. However, this seemingly harmless equipment is often one of the most neglected pieces of hygiene in these environments. The problem doesn't lie with the bottled water itself, but with the water cooler dispenser unit and the way it is used in daily operations. The first concern is the contact points, particularly the taps or nozzles where water flows out. Cups, bottles, and hands touch the water cooler spout all day long, creating a perfect opportunity for contamination. In busy kitchens and bars, these contact points can quickly become contaminated with germs and bacteria. Next, there's the drip tray located at the front of the dispenser. It's almost always dirty, often accumulating standing water, dust, debris, and sometimes mold. Few staff members remember to clean the drip tray regularly, leaving it a breeding ground for germs. Another critical aspect is the bottle change process. Lifting and flipping the heavy bottle onto the dispenser involves touching the neck cap and opening of the bottle. If hands are not properly washed beforehand, contamination can transfer directly into the water system. Many facilities overlook internal hygiene, failing to sanitize the dispenser's interior regularly. Over time, biofilm can develop inside the unit, forming a slimy layer that's invisible to the naked eye. This biofilm can harbor harmful bacteria, posing health risks to users. The location of these dispensers also matters. Placing them in kitchens, bars, or busy service areas exposes them to heat, dust, and constant activity, increasing contamination risk. So what steps can you take to keep your water cooler safe and hygienic? Regularly clean and sanitize the taps, nozzles, and all surfaces of the dispenser. Make sure to clean the drip tray daily to prevent buildup of grime and bacteria. Handle bottles with clean hands and follow proper procedures when changing them to avoid contamination. Keep the surrounding area clean and organized, and ensure the dispenser is protected from dust and heat. Train staff to understand that the water dispenser is not just a machine, but a potential source of health risks if neglected. Remind them that in hospitality and workplaces, water consumed directly from these dispensers can carry bacteria if hygiene is not maintained. Cleaning bottled water alone does not guarantee a clean water dispenser. The equipment itself needs regular attention. Remember, contaminated water from the dispenser goes straight to the person drinking it with no further treatment